It's cold? Yeah. Uh-oh, it dried out. This is anymore. You know, we're going to go Fort Jonesy, right?
If you let it suck all the air out of it, like all the water.
That's what happened. There you go. That's kind of how a humidifier works.